Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoy. So today we are making Ewa Agoyin. Yes. Who doesn't love Ewa Agoyin, right? I know I do. Alright, so let's get started. So you're gonna need dried tatashe peppers, aka red bell peppers. You need those, and then you're going to need dried chili peppers. Those can be found at your local farmers market. So we're gonna soak our peppers in hot water for about, I would say, like 30 minutes till they're plump. After that, we're just gonna blend it all together. I'm blending the chili peppers and the dry red bell peppers, and I'm gonna add some ground crayfish, ginger, garlic, and onions. Add water and blend. As far as measuring for your palm oil, Ewa Agoyin is very heavy on palm oil. I would suggest using pretty much double the quantity of your puree for your palm oil. To bleach your palm oil, leave on the stove on medium heat for 12 minutes. Next, we'll be adding in some diced onions, and we're gonna let this fry for about 10 minutes on medium heat, making sure that you keep stirring it, okay? Okay, now it's time to add in your puree. Stir in, let fry for about 5 minutes, add seasoning and salt. So you wanna make sure that you're stirring this very frequently to avoid it burning. Let it deep fry for about 45 minutes. Don't forget to keep stirring. The aim is to fry until it's blackened, okay? So keep stirring. You're almost done. After 45 minutes, turn down the heat to very low and get started on your beans. So I use a pressure cooker to boil my beans. It takes about 20 minutes, very fast and easy. Once the beans is done, add salt and mash. If you have a hand mixer, you could use it, but I'm using a spatula. Alright, you're almost done. And voila, we are done. Look at it. Isn't it just so beautiful? We did that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. Thank you guys once again, and God bless.